So, as you see, we butchered this pig, and now as in return, we have the water, the cigarette that is also being used. So we are now giving this wine to the officers of the city who give the pig offering, the IPMR of Baguio City. We will be cooking this pig now at the Ibaloy Park because the space here is not
Ladies and gentlemen, before our team will help us and to officially start our program, we will begin first with a sacred ritual that is practiced here in the Cordillera regions. To our guests who are not from here, you will witness a piece of our culture before your eyes.
Good morning to our visitors, especially those who came from other places. I would like to explain how the ritual, simple ritual, is to be done. So, the ritual is just a simple ritual of Thanksgiving. Yung English na lang po kasi mahirap po mag-Tagalog. Okay lang? So the purpose for the pig offering is to give offering to Kabunyan. The Kabunyan is our God. This is the butchering of the pig refers to the following: to show our sincerity for the event in which ask for the favor of cleansing all our mistakes and also forgiveness, likewise health and wealth, love, likewise forgiveness. In the form of butchering of this pig is a return. So you might be wondering, when you're doing your prayer, you ask for forgiveness, but in the form of a ritual, the butchering of pig is offering the life, is the show of sincerity. That is the grounds where we are pushing this activity. Also asking now the support of the Kabunyan, our ancestors, to support in favoring all our prayers to Kabunyan. That is the ritual that we'll be doing it now. So I will be doing it in our cultural prayer. Siya katamin na katala dugar bagi wakatan at iyaman niya ng support niya ada IPMR ni Baguio City, ada city councilors dan ada participants niya first Baguio National Dance Festival. I will be mentioning dagiti visitors tayo nga adatoy ada Sorsogon State University, ada ang Halan Sorbi Dance Company, ada Bailarosa Dance Ensemble, Blue Dance Company Cultural Team, Wandaya Naro Apayao, BCU Fongkan Cultural Dance Troupe, ada Yam Wai Manut Cultural Dance Ensemble kata Kanera ada Syum Denwara kata siguatan Mia Fusyos suportam iranya event pastamat iraya officialis ni Baguio City janan host at minggu paltian niya ibaboy isadat ni suni favor sumsikam jan isalan sa amin ni Panmaptengan pansayatan ni Baguio City at the same time minggu kaksyon matlang tagabay mo para suni pansaksahitan pengitusong ni Panmaptengan ni Baguio City dan hadayara partisipasi luar lima namin. Yang ngaron day sa dato at si kayo mo dyan na ako mi dyan na ang amat si Baguio. In general yay, alipang mga ibadoy, kalamoya kan kanay ibuntok dan all the members ira na ako mi dyan warat siya jungo-jungi iya may pangikan niya baboy dyan mingo isadat suni pensyo minikay. At iyang mula. So as you see, we butchered this pig, and now as in return, we have the water, the cigarette that is also being used. So we are now giving this wine to the officers of the city who give the the peak offering, the IPMR of Baguio City. We will be putting this pig now at the Ibaloy Park because the space here is not. We also acknowledge now the presence of one of the city councilors, Madam Lilia Farinas, who is with us. Also, Councilor Mananang is here, and others will be coming soon, later.